You were told something your whole life. Save money, don't spend too much, put it in the bank. Sounds smart, right? But what if saving money is actually making you poorer? Not because you're doing something wrong, but because the system works differently than you think. And once you see this, you can't unsee it. From childhood, we hear the same advice. Save money, be careful, don't take risks. So we grow up believing more savings means more safety. But here's the problem. Life gets expensive, food costs more, rent goes up, fuel gets expensive, but your savings just sit there and slowly, silently, they lose value. This is called inflation. Imagine your money as an ice cube and time as the sun. You're not losing money, but your money is losing power. Let's make it simple. Today, 100 Indian rupees buys a full meal. Next year, the same 100 Indian rupees buys less. After 5 years, even less. So what happened? Prices went up, your money didn't. So you think, I'll keep it in the bank. And yes, banks give interest, but here's the catch. If the bank gives 3% and inflation is 6%, you are losing 3% every year. It's like climbing stairs while the escalator is going down. You are moving, but going nowhere. This is where everything changes. On one side, people save money. On the other, people invest money. One holds cash that stays still. The other plants money like seeds that grow. Money is a seed. Investing is planting. And rich people don't just save money, they grow money. Time is the real secret. When money is invested, it multiplies, it earns money. Then that money earns more money. This is compounding, like a snowball rolling downhill, starting small but becoming unstoppable. So saving alone is not enough. In fact, it can trap you, like being inside a cage made of your own money where you feel safe, but you're stuck. The moment you understand this, everything changes. Not all money should be saved. Some should be saved for safety, some spent for life, and some invested for growth. Because money should work for you, not just sit still. Saving money is not bad, but only saving is the problem, because money that doesn't grow slowly dies. In the end, there are two paths: save only and watch your money shrink, or invest and watch it grow. And the choice is simple. Don't just protect your money, make it grow. If you understood this, you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe for more simple money lessons. Safety, some spent for life, and some invested for growth. Because money should work for you, not just sit still. Saving money is not bad, but only saving is the problem, because money that doesn't grow slowly dies. In the end, there are two paths: save only and watch your money shrink, or invest and watch it grow. And the choice is simple. Don't just protect your money, make it grow. If you understood this, you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe for more simple money lessons.